Hi everyone, so today I'm talking about the pipe band snare drum, how it's played and how it's used in pipe bands. So it's also known as the hardtop snare drum due to the top head being made out of Kevlar, which is the same material that you'd use in bulletproof vests, which then means it can be used for quite a long time. On the sides here you can see the suspension rods with the suspension nuts at the top, and these are used with an Allen key to tighten the head as over time, as you use it more, the drum head actually loosens. So inside the drum we've got a double snare system, which you can see here on the bottom. We've got a snare on the bottom here and then one here at the top underneath the top head. This gives it quite a unique sound. When the drum is struck, both these snares vibrate, and the two sounds blended together as the top head and the bottom head are two different materials, and the two different sounds blend together to give it that unique sound that you always hear in pipe band snare drums. So to hit the drum, you need pipe band snare sticks. These are my sticks here. I'm always using them. They are slightly different to the snare sticks you'd see be used on a drum kit. They're slightly thicker. They're made out of maple, and you would see there's many different types of snare sticks, different styles of them, different ways that they're made. These all give a different tone, and this allows drummers to then have a wide variety of sticks to choose from to get the sound that they want from their drum and when they're playing. So to start off with a bit of playing, I'll just show you a few easy rudiments. First of all, I'm going to show you how to do mummy daddies. Very simple, it's just 2 beats on the right, 2 beats on the left. Mummy daddies is just a good way to help sort of remember how you're playing them in your head. I'll give you a demonstration first. So I'm going to play those again, and you can join in as well. So now I'm going to play them a bit faster and just speed them up as we go along. These will help with your hand control. Another simple little rudiment you can play at home, don't even need sticks or a drum or a pad or nothing, is a triplet. So this essentially is just 3 beats, so it's just right, left, right, left, right, left. It's nice and fun to play. As your confidence grows, you can obviously speed it up a wee bit and do little twists with it as you're playing as well as your confidence grows. And it's, again, good for maintaining good hand strength and helping with your dexterity with your fingers as well as you're playing. And finally we're going to go on to paradiddles here. Essentially what it is, it's just right, left, right, right. That's a right hand paradiddle, and then left hand, left, right, left, left. It's a fun little thing to do. It's definitely very good for sort of working on focus and concentration as you're playing, and also it's a good little fun little trick to show your friends when you have it nailed down. So hopefully you've learned a bit about pipe band snare drum today, and hopefully I've given you the inspiration to pick up a pair of sticks and get lots of practice done.